Just a year ago, I faced a difficult question of motivation, of meaning, of basically different problems. My first serious problem in life. I started my business, but I don't want to put in the work, put in the effort, the hours. And what I'm about to tell you applies to everything in life. To your habits, to your personal life, to your professional life, to your happiness, to your progress in life, the rate you progress, how fast you progress. And basically I started to dive deeper and deeper into this concept that might be more known in Russian community, in Europe, Kaizen hour. Yeah, you might have heard about Kaizen, but it's basically a unique time period when you basically ask yourself difficult, important questions. It's not hard, it's not long, but every time I do this, I get progress so much faster. You just can't imagine how much time you lose because you simply can't sit straight, stare at a fucking wall for 5-10 minutes and ask yourself some questions. The ultimate tool that will save you years, absolutely decades of your life, is your brain. We'll have it, but the problem is we don't know how to operate it. There isn't really a manual. It's a complex tool. It has a lot of different features. It has a habit system, a reward system, a motivation system, and energy reservation or saving, whatever the fuck might be called. It's just that if you focus, if you put your brain in the right direction, you will beat everybody. The only thing that separates like rich from poor, happy, unhappy is how they operate their brain. It's just their brain power, their thoughts that the brain produces. But we can operate as human beings. There are two sides in our head. There's a human being, a soul, and a brain, just a tool. And if you guide that tool to find answers to the important for you questions, it's gonna do it. It's not that hard. Yeah, sometimes you won't have all the data you need, right? But at least you will have some good understanding of what to do next. It might also be called, like self-reflection or self-coaching or I don't know, just meditating about some thoughts. I call this conscious meditation. It was so exciting for me at one point, and so, I learned so much from these hours. Basically, I would go to my garden and I would just sit down, put on some music, to cancel out the noise of the city and stuff. I'd put up the notion, write the question about some problem, like, oh, what business model should I pick? Oh, how should I spend my time as a teenager? These kind of basic questions, but I was really wondering it a year ago, and it was so much that basically, if I could sum up, if I could sum up all my, major breakthroughs, my fastest growth, my my basically best of the best of my improvement, it would be the times when I come up with some great, awesome ideas, changing my mind, changing my beliefs. And when is that time? Well, it was always when I kept everything around me silent and I just focused on a conversation with my brain. I just asked him some simple questions. It's not hard. It's not hard to ask yourself when you feel very tired, you're in a bad mood and you kind of want to go to your bad habits. Just ask yourself like, okay, how do I feel now? Although it's obvious you feel, although it might seem that you know what you feel, right? But asking the simple question puts you in like, I'm actually feeling kind of, angry, dissatisfied. Okay, why is that? Well, I find this task very difficult and I want to procrastinate so hard that I kind of, find excuses to like watch some stupid videos just to not do this task. And I'm like, okay. But why don't you want to do that hard task? Well, the answer too hard is I don't know, fucking code. You could always break the task to very simple, very small steps. It's nothing hard, but in my situations that would usually mean, and I would usually answer to myself like, well, I don't want to do this because I'd rather do something else. And then I'm like, alright, what would you do? I would go and watch some Minecraft videos. I would go and fab because I feel kind of horny, and I was like, okay, do you want to watch Minecraft videos? Fuck, here we go again. After half a year of trying to like always saying to myself, yeah, I won't watch them, and returning, I'm like, no, I already had so much evidence, so much thoughts about why this is a shitty decision to go and watch some stupid dopamine videos. It'll make me less of a human being, right? And less motivation and stuff. And I'm like, okay, I don't want to watch that video. Stupid videos. What about fapping, right? Well, that makes me a beta male. That lowers my testosterone, lowers my motivation, huge dopamine spikes, and then you can't do the work that's not as stimulating. I'm like, okay, I don't want to fab, then what do we do, right? I'm like, alright, I'm very tired, I haven't slept normally last night, it was like 6 hours sleep, right? So I might as well just take a break for 10 minutes, and then I will return and do just the simplest thing, like break my hard task to just, starting annotating the answer. Or doing some very minor thing. And I'm like, alright then. And I had some meditation session, but it's not in a way that I try to clear my my thoughts. It's just that I observe them, just letting the flow go. Set a timer, boom, 10 minutes passed, I'm back in my chair, doing the work, feeling great, feeling awesome, like a king, right? Just one simple example, how I could have gotten into a rut yet again, and right, and if not a rut, I would simply waste 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, whatever, however. It's just mind-blowing how easy it is and how easy it always was. It's just that you gotta stop this little impulse. This little kid in yourself like, oh, I don't want to do this, I want to do this, alright, then we're gonna watch some videos. Boom. I'm watching some videos. Just stop for a second. Be calmer, maybe, I don't go meditate for that reason, but it's not that hard. You just gotta think. You just gotta use your brain to answer your questions, to analyze, to self-reflect. And you know, when I was so fascinated with this idea, I took it a bit too far. I tried to go on hikes, and on hikes I would, sit up, I would roll some yoga mat on some grass, and I would lay for a few hours asking like myself deep questions, answering them, and I was like, wow, that's so fascinating, that's so wholesome, I'm in nature, I'm hiking, that's a sport, and just for a few months straight, hiking became so, hard, so a hassle to do that I just stopped thinking. It was the period when for, 6-8 months, I've made tiny little progress. Basically, last half a year was wasted because I just couldn't bring myself to go to that freaking hike and think. Whilst I was wasting hundreds of hours on watching YouTube series, I could have just put on my earphones, on my bed, just open up Notion, ask myself a question, answer it, and progress further. That's so funny how I couldn't find this answer sooner, right? Make it simple, and it will work miraculously. Just try it once. If you have some particular problem in your mind that was bothering you for a while, you've kind of tried to find the answers, but YouTube is fucking useless as always, just try to think. Just try to ask yourself a specific question and find a few answers on that. And I'll always finish with action steps. So my action step will be for you to go sit for 15 minutes, for 10 minutes. Ask yourself one question, one important question that was in your head that will, make you improve more, progress more, whatever. Try to focus on answering that question. Think about the options. Write the answer and do the work. That's as simple as that. Improve.